Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to another Sydney Grace Sunday where we are going to do this look, this peachy look using the Tiny Marvels palette. Yes, love it. Want to see how I did it? Yes, you do. Just keep on watching. All right, what are we going to do here? Let's start right here with walking stick, and I'm just going to load my brush up with that and then relaxing my eye. I'm just going to bring it right over the top of this little fold here, raise up my eye and get right in, right inside there. So that when I do that, which I will because I talk like this all the time, it doesn't have a bare spot. I'm just lightly blending it up. I feel like a lot of you probably have Tiny Marvels by now. So what's your favorite shade? What's your favorite combo? When you use Tiny Marvels, how do you use it? Tell me what your favorite shades and combos are below. I want to know. Now I'm going to take a fluffier brush here and just kind of smooth that out here. The first one I used was a 211, and this one is the Angie Hot and Flashy one, a 503. So I'm just kind of blowing that out here up at the top. And then I think I will get, I can't keep out a death moth. And I'm just going to work it here on the outside, darkening up, walking stick. I feel like this looks like it could be a beauty mark. Like, let's just take a pencil and draw on my Marilyn mark. Actually, she was up here, wasn't she? I feel like that could be a beauty mark for a week or something. Like, it's not going to get more agitated if I take a pencil and darken it. But what have you guys been up to? What have you guys been up to? I've been up to about 5'4". What have you guys been doing? Anything interesting? Are you ready for spring? I know I am. Speaking of BK Beauty, I have all of these things. I got these lashes here, all these lashes from Risa and Lisa. That rhymes. I wanted to tell you that I had put these on, and I did. I put them on, and I used, where did that thing go? This thing, it's a eyeliner glue. That helped me immensely rather than using something like a duo glue. I'm not going to put these on today in this video because I'm filming another video that this is part of it. I don't want to take a chance on messing it up, but you let me know below if you want to see a video on these lashes and you want to see me try to put these on. Okay, because as soon as I turn on the camera, I won't be able to. Or if I should just like do a reel or something on it. I don't want to spend a bunch of time on a video that you guys won't watch. It tells YouTube something. It tells them that you're not interested in me and they stop recommending. Let me know if you're interested in seeing me put these on, and it needs to be a majority in comments because a lot of you aren't commenting. So I appreciate that. I wimp out when I get to the part where I'm going to do my lashes because I've spent all that time doing the eye makeup. Now let's not ruin it by me trying to put on false eyelashes. But like I said, I wanted to let you know that I did play with stiletto. As long as I was using that pen, and I did pick up another one because I don't enjoy the look of black eyeliner on my lid. Okay, I think it's too much with the false eyelashes, but with the clear, but like I said, you're gonna have to be really outspoken on it because I can't afford to keep guessing wrong what you guys might wanna see. Moving right along, you came here to watch me do eyeshadow, right? I can go in here anywhere because I have on black, so I can, why don't we play with the peachy shades, okay, today? Like maybe we'll get a little bit of Flutterby, maybe we'll get some Marvel or some Meadowhawk. Let's do that. I think I'll grab an E55 here from the Glitzy Fritzy Essential Eye Set. I'm gonna dip here into Flutterby. Have I ever used Flutterby on camera? I don't know if I have or not. I'm just gonna run lightly across my lid. I just want to say real quick that this creasing that's going on is not these shadows. I could like just do the matte look here, but the formula for these pretty shiny ones are just too much. I gotta do it. Okay, but you could do this. You could just take Flutterby now and have a total matte look. And for my gals who've asked me, how do I tone down this palette? How, because it's so intense, or they think, well, tone down your brush. All right, instead of using a big dense shader brush, maybe you get a brush like this and you go into Flutterby and you just kind of lightly dust that shade on there so it's not so peach, you know. But we're going to do this, and then I'm going to pop something else on top of it because I just want this peach under it. But I'm going to come on top of this with Marvel. Yeah, I am. So let's put, oh my gosh, I can't help myself, can I? Basically, I was using Flutterby as a base for this, just to shift its color just a little bit. But, Mel, honey, you did such a good job. And I'm so proud of this palette. That is not why it's my favorite. I know that there are some people who think it's my favorite because it's Mel's, but that's not why. It's because of the quality of this palette. Just everything. It's like Mel and Sydney Grace made such a good team. And all I've done here is just pat Marvel on top of Flutterby. And I'm trying, but I really want to just, man, go in hard with it because I love that look. And there's no little sparkles in these shades. I'm going to take that same brush and go into Web just in the corner. And if you don't know, if you never played with this palette before, Web is intense. So I'm trying to be very light with it. I just want a little brightness right there in the corner. But Web has this ability to take over the galaxy, so very, very beautiful and intense. Look at that. So I'm just getting a little bit springy here. Then I'm going to take my E36 and come into Spider, which is perfect. I love Spider. Spider's dark enough to get the job done, okay? But not so dark that it's black. It's a very dark brown. Meeting up with Death Moth here. These two want to play together. Back in with my big fluffy brush here, and let's just lightly blend these together. You know, Mel was all about the use of shades together, like putting one on top of another to create what she wanted it to do. She didn't just stick with one shade and go, okay, we're gonna put Death Moth here, and then, okay, that's it, and now pop that on there, and there you go. I mean, she could, but oftentimes she didn't. She was really about showing you how you could play with your makeup and make it what you wanted, and I can't stand it. I'm over here as I'm talking, tapping right down, and look at that. Just doing that, just tapping right into that shade. How can you not be excited about that? Let's go into Mantis. And now you're going, what? Yeah, well, it's makeup. It washes off. So if I don't like it, we can change it. But I just love Mantis. Mantis is my favorite shade in this palette. And it's like, I can't stay out of it. Bring it underneath here. And for those of you who thought I was never going to get into Mantis in this look, say I won't. Okay, say I won't. Here I go. Now I'm going to get web, and I think I want to brighten this up even more. I just want to pat it right into, since I went and got bold there, I think we'll just go ahead and tap that into here. Of course. Yeah, baby. I'm going to get this eyeliner, which I forgot likes to come out. Oh, that's not good. Let's get Freak from Urban Decay and line here with it. It's the freaky hour. And I'm gonna get my mascara on, and then I will be back. All right then, I hope you guys enjoyed using the Sydney Grace Tiny Marvels with me today. Give me a thumbs up for this video, share it, do whatever you can to try and help the channel out. I would appreciate it greatly. And don't forget, if you don't have this wonderful palette yet, it might be time to go get it, right? You just never know. One of these days I may not have it anymore. Don't want you to be crying when that happens. But in any case, don't forget to leave for me below how you like to use this best. What's your favorite shades? Do you like going full on? Do you like just lightly doing it? I gotta know all of that below. And I wanna let you know that if you're not having a blessed day, the way you get one is to go be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye. And I'm out.
Oh, crap. No, we're not using the shade crap. There's no crap shade in here. Raise up my eye and smack the crap out of PETA. 'Cause it's beautiful. You're so beautiful on eyes. But you can be on the face too. I'm trying out for a Broadway musical soon. You're everything I hope for. You're everything I need.